What is diabetic peripheral neuropathy in layman terms? So what exactly is diabetic peripheral neuropathy? Diabetic means that you're someone living with high blood sugar levels because your body either cannot produce enough insulin or your body cannot produce any insulin at all. Peripheral neuropathy is anything outside of the central nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of your brain and the spinal cord. So anything outside of that is known as your peripheral nervous system. So when you think about peripheral, you're thinking about your arms and your legs. So in your arms, from your elbow down, and in your legs, from the knee downwards. Neuropathy is when the nerve cells called the neurons are either damaged or destroyed. So essentially, the peripheral nervous system is no longer communicating with the central nervous system properly, which leaves you feeling the sensations such as burning, pins and needles, shooting, numbness, and tingling. I hope you found this video useful. My name is Deidré. I'm a podiatrist. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.